Hello friends, welcome back to Newton's Club. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying our content. In this video, we are going to dive deep into a crucial department inside the manufacturing industry, production. This is a place where we find numerous engineers, critical thinkers and problem solvers who put all their efforts to create the tangible good we use every day. Think of production process like a kitchen. Just as raw ingredients are transformed into a delicious dish, input materials are carefully processed to create finished products. Production is often called the heart of the organization because it is responsible for actually making these goods. Now let's take a look at the typical order to delivery cycle inside the manufacturing industry. Just to mention, we have already discussed in one of our previous videos how communication flows from customers to sales to production to quality to dispatch, with all the supporting functions playing their respective roles. In this cycle, the sales team handles everything up to the validity check and order placement in the system. From then on, the role of production team starts. Before going deep into this department, I would like to take a moment and delve into some historical context. Back in those unimaginable old times, every product was made by hand, and each item was unique and took considerable time to produce. James Watt's steam engine and the first industrial revolution changed everything. The world saw a scale and speed of production that has never been possible before. Then when electricity replaced the steam engine in second industrial revolution, factories started operating even more efficiently with much more speed. Special mention goes to the real game changer, Henry Ford's assembly line. This innovation reduced the time to assemble a car from 12 hours to just 93 minutes, making mass production a reality. Then came the digital era, the third industrial revolution, where computers and automation has become integral parts of manufacturing. And finally, today, Industry 4.0 is defined by smart factories and advanced technologies. From steam engines to smart factories, the evolution of manufacturing has been a journey of relentless innovation and improvement, leading us to a future where production is smarter, faster, and much more efficient than ever. So, our primary focus is to provide insights into the metrics of production efficiency, major roles and responsibilities, and key terms used in the production. In this particular video, we'll cover organizational structure, the four critical aspects of production processes, and the importance of SOPs as the cornerstone of our efficiency. Let's start with organizational structures. Fundamentally, the production department is divided into two subsections: planning and execution. Planning is the brain of the operation, where analytical skills are crucial. It involves tasks such as scheduling production runs and ensuring the availability of raw materials. It's like preparing a recipe before cooking, making sure everything is in place to avoid delays. Now, execution is the hands-on part, where technical skills comes into play. It involves activities like operating machinery, monitoring production processes, and managing labor. Think of it as the actual cooking process, where you turn ingredients into a delicious meal. A special mention for the working hours. In most multinational companies, production runs 24 hours a day. The production team is divided into shifts, typically 8 or 12 hours, to keep the process continuous. Within these shifts, we have helpers who perform basic tasks like cleaning machines and moving materials, operators responsible for machine operations, and shift in charges who oversee the entire shift, ensuring efficient machine operations and managing manpower. And we have managers who oversee everything others do, ensuring smooth and efficient production. Often, roles in production overlap. From my 9 years of experience in production, I can say that superior employees are responsible for overseeing and assigning tasks with the team, often working alongside them to ensure everything is completed efficiently. This collaboration is necessary to ensure the heart of the organization never fails. Now, moving on to the second topic. Production happens on a very large scale in multinational companies. Millions of units are produced, whether it be in numbers like cars, in kilograms like steel or cement, or in kilowatt hours for electricity. Based on the number of units produced and processes used, there are several types of production such as continuous production, batch production, job production, just-in-time production, and many more. Despite the variety, we can actually generalize understanding production processes based on four critical aspects: raw materials, people, machine, and time. To consistently deliver high quality products, both the planning and execution team plays pivotal roles in managing these four elements. Essentially, these teams work together to transform inputs into desired outputs using a process that integrates human expertise, machinery efficiency, and time management. Let's draw a simple analogy. Imagine preparing orange juice with a juicer machine. What's the input? Oranges. And the output? Fresh juice. The juicer machine is of course essential to the process. But remember, the machine won't operate on its own, right? It needs someone like you or me to flip the switch. Once we have the oranges cut in half and placed into the machine, we press the switch. Does the juice come out immediately? No, it takes time, maybe a minute or so. Now if we pay close attention to every aspect of this example, producing a glass of orange juice requires oranges as a raw materials, juicer machine as the equipment, someone to operate it, a person like you or me, and a minute of time. This simple example mirrors the essence of manufacturing production. Now imagine scaling this process to produce 10,000 packets of orange juice. The challenges multiply, requiring more sophisticated planning and execution to maintain quality and efficiency, which requires extreme focus on raw materials, people, machine, and time. Finally, the third topic. Generally, in manufacturing units, there are often multiple products, each with its own set of specifications, like orange juice as well as apple juice as well as grape juice. Let's take products P1, P2, and P3 as examples. The raw materials required, the production processes, and time frames for each of these products P1, P2, and P3 can vary significantly. These variables can have a direct influence on the final output. So to manage these complexities, every production unit adheres to a standard operating procedure SOP specific to each product. The SOP specifies raw materials to use, types and proportions, production methods, step-by-step methods, production rate, cycle time, batch sizes, etc., quality control, safety, and many more. It serves as the cornerstone for ensuring operational efficiency in the production department. And now when we talk about operational efficiency, there are three major types of efficiencies: runtime percentage, capacity utilization, and good quality percentage. We will explain this in our next video, part 2, and ultimately delve into the major responsibilities held by the production department. We hope you have learned something new about production in this video. Keep watching and have a nice day. Thank you.